A groundbreaking ceremony for China-founded railway underpass project was held in Songjenok district of Ulaanbaatar on Wednesday. Officials from China and Mongolia and project workers attended the ceremony.
今天我们再次欢聚一堂，隆重举行乌兰巴托铁路地下通道工程的项目的开工典礼。这是两国共同推动“一带一路”合作深入发展两国经贸领域合作的又一件大事。
The cross-railway travel time is expected to be reduced about 40%, making urban transportation easier. The project is expected to last 26 months. Ulaanbaatar, with more than 640,000 vehicles, is home to nearly half of Mongolia's 3.4 million population. The growing population and economy have led to severe traffic congestion.